Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn why your signature does not appear in your Gmail address or in your Gmail email. For example, if you're going to compose an email and at the end of that email, no signature is there. For example, let me show you how. You go to compose and you send an email at Tide Schooling and you have a signature, because I have told you already in another video how you can create a signature. You can check out that video before that video. So for example, if I'm writing an email and sending it, you thought you have created a signature and automatically it should have appeared, but when you check out that there is no signature at all. So the trick for that is you have to remember that you have to add the signature manually. When you are texting, when you're writing something, at the end of there's a bar. In the bar, there's on the end of that bar horizontally, there's an option, pen-like option called insert signature. Click on that option, and in here you can see all of the signature that you have created. As for my concern, I have created the tag signature. I'll click on tag signature. You can even manage signatures, which means you can add other signatures if you want. So I'll go with the tag signature, click on it. You can see now it appears, and I'll click on send. As I've sent it, now we can see how it looks like. We're going to send options, and we open up the email, and you can see there's a pichu puchu puchu. I don't know what kind of email I have written, and down here we have this signature. So if you think your issue is solved by this video, if you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment and subscribe to this channel. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.